In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a secure web authentication (SWA) application with just one field using the template plugin app in Okta. This is great for applications that require only one piece of information to log in. Let's get started. First, go to your Okta admin dashboard. Click on Applications, then Applications again. Here, you'll find the Browse App Catalog button. Click on it, search for the template plugin app, and add it. Next, give your application a name. This is the app label. Now you'll need to enter the login URL for your application. This is where users will be directed to sign in. Here's an interesting part. Since our application only needs one field, we'll use the same CSS selector for both the username and password fields. For instance, if your application's CSS selector is access key, you would enter a access key for both username and password. For the login, enter your required Submit CSS selector. Finally, fill in any other necessary fields and click Next, followed by Done, and that's it. You've successfully configured your single-field SWA application using the template plugin app. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.